Mute right there.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. We're going to go ahead and get started. This is the State Expedited Accusations calendar in the State Court of Fulton County, Georgia. I am Judge Melanie Williamson at
Hey, I
this.
don't think the courtroom on, dude.
They're not?
No,
Thank you for letting me know that, Mr. Howard. Where's courtroom two, Miss Lewis?
I'm calling now.
I was late, so I was assuming everyone else was already in attendance.
Oh, they're not on yet, Judge. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, then give me one more second to print this out. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Solicitor Nixon, this is Mike Moran, Attorney Moran. I just sent you a chat. If you could take a look at that.
All right, thank you. Give me one moment. I believe this is Solicitor Sirocco's case.
And you can forward me whatever you need to.
Thank you both. Appreciate it. I'll just stand pat and look for your response in the chat.
Good to see you, Mike.
Mike, good to see you too. We're still at it.
Yeah. You ever hear anything from Brooks Franklin in North Carolina?
I do. Brooks is living in Georgia. I saw him at a Hawks game a few months back, and he's doing well.
Fantastic. So he quit farming, huh?
I don't know if he's still farming or not, but I think he's basically relaxing most of the time, is how I would put it. He's doing well, though. I'll tell him when I talk with him that you said hello, Mike.
Please do.
I
Thanks.
will. Sure thing.
Judge, Judge walked away.
She did. She was going to
Y'all,
go.
Okay.
it's gonna be a minute, y'all. They still doing NC1. Hold on.
Oh, they are? Okay.
They still doing NC1 from this morning, so it's gonna be a while. Hello?
I heard you. I don't know if the judge heard you or not. Lon, I'm gonna have to turn off your video. You are driving and there's no driving in court, so if you could find somewhere to park your car.
Is position 13 already out of the jail, Miss Lewis, though?
She's not physically booked out the jail yet, but she did post bond, but she only post bond on the charges that she was booked in. The state added another charge on there, so she did post a $2,000 surety bond with Free at Last bonding company. But I don't hope, hopefully they don't bring her to court, but if sir, you have to address that third charge on the calendar because she only posted bond for the two charges.
Well,
that-
that third charge is still gonna hold her in.
Right.
If they bring her to court, yeah.
If not, I could, yeah. This is already a slow day, so if we could address things with as least difficulty as possible. Are there other announcements for cases today?
Judge, this is Mike Moran, attorney Mike Moran for position 13.
Right.
I've just been chatting with the state about this and just was made aware not only that the bond had been posted, but also that there was a third charge added. I don't know what that charge is or was, and
I think it's an additional simple battery. Is that correct, Mrs. Sirocco?
It's another simple
muted.
battery charge, Judge. Yeah.
Yeah, it's an additional simple battery.
That's correct.
Judge, is that something that we could address now, or I'm glad to stay in the queue and would like to address
I
that?
mean, I would like to, but technically she does have, if they bring her, she has a right to it unless you have spoken with her. I'm not showing, I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on my Zoom, my apologies. Unless you've spoken with your client and she waives her appearance, I don't know that you've done that.
I've
Is
had
she
no opportunity to do that,
right?
Your Honor.
I understand, I know. And there's no one at the jail on the screen at all, is there?
No, there's nobody right now. But like I said, they have, she probably in the being processed out. They got her at central hold right now, so she's
Okay, so if they've already started process, that's what I want to know, how far of it, can you see how far along she is?
I would
Because
not
if
know.
she's already processed out on that other one, that third charge isn't gonna hold her, Mrs. Sirocco, and it's not gonna matter.
Hmm.
So I don't know, that's what we need to know, how far she is in processing. If she's outside and they added that,
Yeah, I guess let's
I'm
just.
not, yeah.
They still show her still at the jail. I mean,
Still,
according to the,
you know how
Yeah.
that goes though, Katrina, you might still be at the jail, but not at the jail.
Right.
correct.
Yeah.
Judge, I can inquire of the family and come back to you in just a few minutes. Maybe they have some information if that would work.
That's fine. That would be
All
great,
right.
Mr. Moran.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Okay, I guess we'll all be on hold indefinitely.
Judge, I did
Your
put down the
Honor,
reset date.
I'm sorry.
I
What
said,
you saying? Hold on 1 second, Miss Lewis, what were you saying?
I
Go ahead,
was-
Miss Lewis.
I said I was put, the reset date is July the 10th.
Okay. And Miss Tucker, yes?
yes, Your Honor, I was gonna say in regards to position 4, Ms. Collins, as well as position 7, Ms. Duncans, I have not had the opportunity to interview them. I did contact ACDC. The guards they were in a different courtroom. They told me they were gonna call. So if when we get started, if they could be called last, so I can have the opportunity to speak with them before presenting on their case.
Okay.
I don't know.
Anyone else not had the opportunity to interview their clients? Mr. McLean, have you spoken with everyone?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, well, we'll be on a brief, hopefully, hold. Thank you all for your patience.